guys, Bryan here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're going to do something quick, simple, easy to do. Thought you guys might like to see it done. We've had a couple of requests for it, and so we're going to go ahead and make a video on it. How to dip a license plate cover, right? So we have already got it all base coated, and of course we're going to do it in our carbon fiber. It's definitely going to be custom, one-off. It's going to look really good, just like a carbon fiber, and I think the customer is definitely going to love it. So we've already got this base coated in our dark charcoal gray metallic. You can find the link in the description below on where to get any of that stuff, as well as, of course, our go-to carbon fiber, the CF282. So we're just going to go ahead and lay this out, and then cut this here. And so again, on something like this, you don't need a lot of room for extra. The main thing is, of course, you need the handles, so then that way you can maneuver it back and forth. And because this is actually a metal frame, something you probably don't really see a lot of nowadays, most everything is of course plastic, but it'll still work the exact same way. So we'll go ahead and we'll take this, flip it around, and we'll lay it in the water and get started. Alright, so we'll set our timer here. So this one is going to be pretty simple, pretty easy. We're just going to keep it at about a 45-degree angle, going just straight into the water, a little bit of an angle upwards like that, and then we should have a really good looking license plate cover in carbon fiber. So let me grab some gloves and we'll get started. Alright, so spray our activator on it. And again, because we do have these little pockets right here, we are going to keep it at a 45-degree angle just to make sure that all that air goes out of the pocket. Alright, so now that we've got that, we'll bring it out, and that is a very good looking license plate cover in carbon fiber. So we're definitely, I think the customer's definitely going to like that. We're going to throw it in the rinse station, rinse everything off, add a good coat of clear on it, and they're definitely going to love it. So we'll show you some shots of it afterwards, but again, something really simple, really easy, and you can make it look totally custom and very unique, even with just adding a little bit of carbon fiber just like that. So stay tuned and you can see the final results of it. Alright, so now that we've got everything already clear coated, the part came out awesome. Customer's definitely going to love it. So if you have any questions on how to carbon fiber your license plate, hopefully this video has definitely helped you out, and now you're able to make your own carbon fiber license plate, or really just about anything that you've got that looks even similar to this. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I know we always do. If you haven't already, definitely hit the subscribe button. We would love to have you subscribe to all of our weekly tips and tricks on anything that we do, whether it's dipping, cerakote, anything in between, custom painting. We're definitely going to try to give you guys everything that we know in short little videos on just anything in general. So I'm Bryan from Liquid Concepts, and we're making Hydrographics great again. We'll see you guys next time.